What's up guys, you're watching the Seed Show, and if you're new in my channel then don't forget to subscribe and a like. Today we are going to talk about the Sony PlayStation 4 error CE-30005-8 in a PlayStation 4. The application is can't start. So here we go to the screen and I'm at the screen. Here we are. You just check the application, your update. Sometimes your application needs to update, that's why you get this error. You must update your system software and update your application if it needs to. You go to the system software also. Sometimes the system files are corrupted, that's why you get this error. Here's the PlayStation 4 system software up to date. If not updated, you just simply up to date, and then you just go to the here is a save data management. Sometimes the save data also corrupted. You just delete the save data or put into USB if you want to save it, and you can retrieve your data from the USB also. But I'm just going to simply tell you that or suggest you that just go to the safe mode, rebuild database, update the application and update system software. It will be fixed. So that's how you can fix this error. And if you are new to my channel, then don't forget to subscribe and like. And if you want to ask me a question, then leave a comment in the comment below.